Day 16 adds the first user API endpoints. Today the API layer connects to the user application service with post users and get users. The current state is ready for this step. The task API is complete for the in-memory phase, and the user application layer already exists. Day 15 built the user service structure. Day 16 exposes that service through HTTP endpoints, using the same controller to service pattern as tasks. By the end of today, UsersController should exist, UserService should be registered, post should create users, get should return all users, and the project should build successfully. First, register the UserService in Program.cs. Add the user's namespace and register UserService with UserService near the existing task service registration. Next, create UsersController in the API controllers folder. Inject UserService, use the API controller root, and keep the controller thin. The getUsers endpoint calls UserService.getAll and returns OK with the users. No query filters are needed today. The postUsers endpoint accepts create user request, calls createUser, returns OK with the created user, and catches validation errors as bad request. Validation behavior must be clear. Invalid full name returns 400 bad request. Invalid email returns 400 bad request. A valid user returns 200 OK. After create user and get all users work, stop. Do not add get user by ID, update, delete, SQL Server, EF Core, or authentication today.